Yes, it is possible to install solar panels on your house in Hawaii. In fact, Hawaii is one of the best places in the United States to install solar panels because of its abundant sunshine and high electricity rates. Hawaii has set a goal to achieve 100% renewable energy by 2045. And as part of this effort, the state offers several incentives to homeowners who install solar panels, including tax credits and net energy metering programs. Additionally, there are many solar companies in Hawaii that can provide information about the cost and benefits of installing solar panels, as well as help with the installation process. It's important to note that the specific requirements and regulations for installing solar panels in Hawaii may vary depending on the location of your home and the type of system you choose. It's recommended that you consult with a licensed solar installer and your utility company to determine the best options for your home and ensure that your system complies with all applicable laws and regulations.